Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Work and Education. It's an ETT first year, DLED ETT first year books of Vinod Publications. It's a bestseller book. It's in Hindi medium of J.K. Bose, Jammu and Kashmir. It's as per the news reverse pattern of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. So let's review this book. Now first of all, contents is mentioned. You can check it out unit wise. Unit 1, concept and importance of work education. Work education concept, scope, manual work, then manual work as a source of growth and development, manual work need and importance, linking manual work with vocational learning. Then page numbers are also mentioned in front of contents. You can go to any particular page, find it out and read it. Not only that, you can also see the beauty of this book is the language of the content is in both English and Hindi, so that any kind of reader who wants to read it in English can also read it, and who wants to read it in Hindi can also read it. And suppose you want to check it out whether this particular topic is in particular page or not, is it actually accurate or not, you can also check it. For example, page 8 to 13, manual work need and importance should be there. So let's go to page 8. You can check page number 8. Manual work need and importance, concept of labor is there. 8 to 13, and then another topic started. So you can check it's completely there. Then unit 1 has also another topic. You can check historical perspective of work. Then we come to unit 2. Unit 2 we come it's work education activities and community, importance of essential activities, then role of community, utilization of community, role of school. You can check contribution of work education, orientation of parents. Go to any page number like 41, 42, utilization of community. You can check them out at 41 page, at utilization community. Page number 41, utilization of community, you can check it out, it's completely there. Now you can go to page number you can check unit 3, organization and management of work education. You can check this topic like difference between essential activities and elective activities. Go to page number 56. So let's check page 56. Contribution of work education in development, page 56, it's completely there. Yeah, as you can check, so this book covers everything. Unit 3, unit wise is mentioned. You can check organization and management of work education, and unit other things are mentioned. Then unit 4, evolution and work education, other things are mentioned. You can check, for example, you can check this topic also. 106 page self evaluation should be there. See, self-evaluation, page number 106, it's completely there. So it's a very good book. Things are very properly explained, discussed, and the topics are also very highlighted in both the languages, English and Hindi, to make it comfortable for any kind of reader to understand. Languages are given very easy, wordings are also very big, our languages were also very easy. Things are properly explained, discussed. Every unit you can go to any page number, completely mentioned, contents are completely mentioned. Go to any page number, find that particular topic and read it. And in the last page of the book, you can check other books of this publishing firm, Vinod Publications also. And the price of the book is just rupees 199.50 rupees only. It's available on both Flipkart and Amazon, or you can also call them directly at 9218 and they will deliver the book to your location in just 3-4 days time. You can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and also you can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books of Vinod Publications, and you can also go to their Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check other things out. So if you want to purchase this book online, I told you the procedure. Call them or go to Flipkart, Amazon. And if you want to buy this book offline, you can buy it from any bookstore nearby your location which has B.Ed and ETD books. This will be available to you at just rupees 199.50. It's a highly recommendable book from my side. Price is very reasonable and very less. So work and education of ETD first year, J.K. Bose, Hindi medium, bestseller book of this most trusted publishing firm, Vinod Publications. It's a highly recommendable book from my side. Do buy it, must buy it. Thank you.